In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can set up a flow in Klaviyo to capture new subscribers when they hit your website and help nurture them into your lead nurturing sequence to be able to purchase a product. So we're going to come here, let's start at the home page, and we're going to go to the flows section. Now, one thing that's useful about Klaviyo is they have a lot of things set up for you, so that way you don't have to start from scratch. You can get up and running quickly. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and click on Create Flow, and you'll see they have templates set up. So let's look at their templates. So we have this Welcome Series, Customer versus Non-Customer. So let's click on this and see this is something that can be useful to us. So it says, welcome all new subscribers. Identify those that are truly just beginning their journey with you and name an incentive to make the first purchase. So that's exactly what we're talking about, nurturing them. All right, good. Triggers the newsletter, good. All right, so we're going to create this flow and then see what we can edit to make this more close to our needs. So let's give it a second to load. All right, good. So trigger, once someone is added to the newsletter, so what you can actually do is, or what you want to make sure is you have some type of newsletter form already set up. So I want to put a pause on this real quick. I'm just going to show you how to make sure that that's set up. So what you want to do is come up here to the sign up forms, and you'll see that I already have a pop-up. I already have a pop-up set up. But if you want to set this up yourself, you're just going to go and click on create sign up form. You're going to go through these steps, and it's going to help you set up a sign up form to be able to capture those new subscribers. Give us a second to load. Load it up one more time. All right, see, so you have the different forms that you can use to help capture those emails. So once you capture those emails is when this trigger, this flow will start. So you're going to see here, when someone's added the newsletter, we have this split here. Have they placed an order at least once? Okay, good. So this is pretty much telling us here that once a customer is added to the newsletter, have they ordered before? Is this a new customer to our store? Have they ordered before? Or is this their first time? Good. If it's their first time, then, if it's their first time, then this is what you'd send them. If it's not their first time, then you'd send them this email here, which is the thanks for subscribing. It's an existing customer. So maybe they had ordered before, but they never actually subscribed to the newsletter. In this case, you'd send this email, thank you for subscribing. And then if they haven't ordered before, if it's their first time, you could send them an email like this. Here's 20%. Here's 20% off your first order. You can send them this email here. So again, you're doing a split, checking to see, have they signed up before? Have they placed an order before? Have they not placed an order before? And you have this set up here. And then boom. Now you notice here that You'll notice here that both of these again come back to another trigger. So in this case, we're waiting 3 days. For this example, let's say we want to wait 2 days, right? You want to wait 2 days, and then we want to say, let's say lunchtime. We'll say 12 p.m., which is lunchtime in most people's time zone. So we'll save that. So we'll say 2 days, right? Now, for this case, because we're trying to encourage them to buy our products, we're going to change this from social media. We're going to say, nurture, just like this. Okay, we're going to edit this. We're going to say, here's us. And this is something here. Okay, good. System, okay. Here's what's new. Good, we're going to save that. And then if you wanted to edit the template, you just click on edit like this. And then we see something like this. So let's say we don't want to do social media. So I'm going to delete this. Just delete all this. Okay, delete like this. Delete like this, delete. This is what I want to show, ready to get shopping. So I'm going to say, so I'm just going to keep it simple here. So I'm going to say, okay, and then I want to put the name in here. So the name, we're going to click on add personalization, and then we're going to say first name. If there's no first name, I'm gonna put in there. Here's what's new at our, just to keep something simple. Like this. I don't want any content there. I'm probably gonna delete this title as well. And then maybe have our 3 products here. And then this is where we would connect our products from Shopify. Choose product to show. Yeah, so I have my product here. Let me see. Which product can I? I'm looking for this one. Let me add this. I'll add this product. Good, like this. And then here's a view of our store. And then let's say I want to make this a little bit bigger. So I'm going to come in here. Oh, that's too big. Put like this. Okay. All right, so let's preview and test that. Okay, of course, this is an ugly email. You want to customize it to make it look a little more presentable, but just for the sake of the example, this the example that we're going to use. So I'm going to click done like this, save this. Oh, we forgot to change the title from social media. All right, so I'm going to have to go back and do that. Okay, here. I think we already changed that. Maybe this one. All right. We're going to say welcome email 3. I probably didn't say it. I'm going to say show case. All right, like this. Okay, done. Okay, good. All right. So what we're doing here is we're saying if someone's added to the newsletter, we're going to make sure that they've placed an order before. If they have, then we're going to send them a thank you for subscribing. You know what? We could actually change it. If they've placed an order before, it means that they're familiar with us. So thanks for subscribing seems a little bland. What I could do is I could say, welcome back. This seems a little more friendly. Welcome back, because they've already shopped with you before. So welcome back, thanks for subscribing. Welcome, here's 20% off. Wait 2 days, send an email. And then of course you can continue nurturing them with different products and showing different, continuing the flow as you go along. Like for instance, if you wanted to show another one, you can come down here. You could just keep it simple. We're gonna clone it like this. Move this under like here. Wait another 2 days. Send another email and keep nurturing them this way. You can add different actions as well. So maybe to see if they've clicked on the link, then do this. If they didn't click on the link, send a different email. There's so many things that you can do, but I just wanted to share with you a basic way of how you can capture and customers email when they type in their email on the sign up form on your website, and then how you can start nurturing them to encourage them to purchase a product. So I hope this video was useful. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you're looking to set something like this up for your Shopify website, I'd be more than happy to help. You can come learn more about me here at zqdo.info, see my services, see what other people have said. I'll be more than happy to help out. But once again, if this video was helpful, please feel free to reach out, and hope this video was helpful. Thank you.